so here is about projection. So we have a vector. This is x, this is u. So your u is 1, 0 like this, your x is 1, 1, and you want to project the x onto u, so it looks like it's just equal to u. So it seems the projection it should be 1, 0. Let's confirm it. So for the purpose of the exam, always use the original formula. Don't use the simplified formula for the unit vector thingy. So just do x dot u dot u times u. Um, so usually I like to write dot product as x transpose u transpose u. They are exactly the same thing. There's no difference. And the dot product is basically multiply and then add. So x times u is 1 times 1 plus 1 times 0. And u times u is the same thing, 1 times 1 plus 0 times 0. And then you are multiplying by u at the end. U is a vector. So that means it's 1 over 1, 1, 0, which is 1, 0, which confirms our guess or geometric intuition. And the next question here is asking for the reverse. So the projection of, again, x onto u. So now your u is this and your x is this. So the projection is the other way. So it's perpendicular and it looks like it's half half. Again, we'll confirm this by using a formula. So x dot u dot u times u. So what is x dot u? So it's the same, 1 times 1 plus 0 times 1. U dot u is 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1. And multiplied by u is 1, 1. So this is 1 over 2 times 1, 1, which is half half. So again, it confirms our geometric intuition.